Chapter 2. Parts of a plant. You will learn different parts of a plant, functions of parts of a plant, germination of seeds, different parts of a plant. You can see many plants growing around you. Do you think you are able to see the whole plant? No. What you see is not the whole plant. A plant has two parts. The part of the plant which grows below the ground is called root or root system. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. There is a main root. It grows from the end of the stem into the soil. Other small roots grow from it. For example, mustard, hibiscus, bean plant, etc. Fibrous root. There is no main root. The roots of some plants grow in bunch from the end of the stem. Such roots are called fibrous root. For example, rice, wheat, onion, etc. It looks as thin and bushy roots. Functions of root. Roots fix the plants to the soil and give support to the plant. Roots take in water and nutrients from the soil and use it for the growth of the plant. The roots of some plants store the food inside them. For example, radish, beetroot, carrot, and turnip. That is why they look swollen, as they have food stored in them. The shoot. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot. It includes stem, leaves, branches, flowers, buds, and fruits. The stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. It has branches, leaves, flowers, buds and fruits. The stem of some plants is hard, strong and woody. Such type of stem is called trunk. For example, stems of mango and neem tree. The stem of some plants is soft and green. Such stems are very weak and they need a support to climb along up. For example, the stems of pea plant, money plant, and grapevine plant. Functions of the stem. The stem keeps the plant upright and supports it. The water absorbed by the roots travel through the stem. Thus, water and nutrients reach to different parts of the plant. In some plants like sugarcane, the extra food is stored in the stem. We eat some of these plants. In some plants, like ginger and potato, the stem grows below the soil and stores extra food. Thus, we eat stem part of these plants. Do you know? Ginger and potato are called underground stem. The leaf. The most important part of the plant is leaves. Color of the leaf is green in most of the plants. The leaves are of different sizes and shapes. They may be thin and narrow. Mostly, the leaves have a broad flat part called lamina or leaf blade. There is a main vein in the middle part of the leaf. Number of side veins arises from the side of the main vein. The veins carry water in the leaf. The leaves play a very important role for the plant. Green leaves take sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from air, and water from the soil to make food. This process is known as photosynthesis. Thus, the leaf is called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant, as it makes food for the plant. In some plants, food is stored in leaves, for example spinach, lettuce, and cabbage. Do you know? Leaves are of two types, simple leaves example pear plant, rubber plant, etc., and compound leaves, example bean plant, strawberry plant, etc. Functions of the leaf. The leaves play a very important role for the plant. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves help plants to breathe through the small pores called stomata. Leaves release extra water through the stomata. In some plants, leaves store food in them. For example, spinach, lettuce and cabbage. Flowers. Flowers make the plants look colorful and beautiful. They grow on the stem. Flowers are of different shapes and sizes. Some flowers grow into fruits, for example apple, mango, pomegranate, strawberry, etc. Do you know? Cauliflower and broccoli are the flowers of the plant. Fruits and seeds. The flowers of the plant change into fruits. The seed of the plant is inside the fruits only. The seeds grow into a new plant. The flowers thus help the plant to produce more of its own kind. They are the reproductive part of the plants. Some fruits have one seed, such as mango, apricot, plum, etc. Some fruits have many seeds, like papaya, watermelon, guava, etc. Germination of seeds. Plants grow from seeds. The process by which the seeds develop into a baby plant is called germination. The seeds need water, air, and warmth for germination. When the seeds get suitable conditions, they grow into a new plant. Let us revise. A plant has two parts, root and shoot. The part of the plant which grows below the ground is called the root. The part of the plant which grows above the ground is called the shoot. The roots fix the plants to the soil and give support to the plant. The stem keeps the plant upright and supports it. The most important part of the plant is leaves. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. The flowers of the plant change into fruits. The process by which the seeds develop into a baby plant is called germination.